looking for low-cost automobile insurance with tight budget? When you have to make it to the end of the month with a limited salary, you have no luxury of going for a little expensive policy. Although you may feel that you will be protected better with another policy, you may have to accept that you just do not have the money for it. We make these compromises every day in life, including while we are doing grocery shopping. For many families, it can be the case of finding budget coverage or going without insurance. In some parts of the United States, number of uninsured drivers can reach to nearly 30% of all drivers. This is a scare number in any standards. The average number of uninsured drivers across America is around 15%. It is still a high number. High insurance costs can be a real problem, especially in the city centers where it may be 3 times higher than what country residents pay. When you add high rents and other costs, it is not hard to see how a family will struggle to find money for arranging a decent cover. Several states work on low-cost coverage for key workers with minimum wages. These are schemes that allow certain people buy policies with lower liabilities limits. Those legislators realize it is better to let people go a bit lower on the protection provided rather than see them give it up altogether. These policies are still sold by the traditional auto insurers, but they are specially formulated to help key workers. They are stripped-down vehicle insurance at affordable prices. If you have such schemes in your zip code, it is great. If not, you will have to go for the basic coverage and hope that you can afford it. Other than that, some people would want to insure a bit more than the basic liabilities covers. Again, money might be tight, but they would have to insure their car for collision and other damages as well. If you will be stranded without a car and you do not have means to buy a new one if it is wrecked or stolen, you will need to buy a decent insurance for it. For those people, the best solution can be to look for affordable packages. A few companies see the need to offer economical plans with bare minimum but essential coverage, including comprehensive and collision. They are made to be good and cheap enough, but nothing fancy. Those packages will be deliberately stripped down from luxury add-ons like legal defense costs or rental car reimbursement. They may have slightly higher deductibles as well. These are the ways they can make those policies economical. Probably, you need to be a good driver to get those preferential rates. They cannot be cheap and available to high-risk drivers as well. Many motorists may be disheartened after checking with 1 or 2 insurers. They should not easily give up. Only couple of $100s can be a lot of money for some of us, while many people will not bother to spare the time for such savings. Keep looking and shopping around until you find something that will not strain your finances.